Are you tired of copying email details into a separate task list? Learn how to turn any email into a task in under 30 seconds. Here's the exact 5-step process to convert emails into tasks directly inside Gmail. No extra tools needed. First, head over to your Gmail homepage, where all your emails are listed. Go ahead and click the checkbox next to the email you want to turn into a task. Then, click the 3 dots icon at the top of the screen to open the More Options menu. Now, select Add to Tasks from that menu. And just like that, a new task is automatically created using the email's subject as its title. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.